In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ChatGPT prompts that will help your small business's website rank #1 on Google Fast. This is a no-frill, no-fuss tutorial, just good old-fashioned actionable tips any small business owner who doesn't have the budget to pay for professional SEO help can use. These techniques are completely legitimate and carry no risk whatsoever. Oh, and I almost forgot, all the tools I use throughout this tutorial are completely free. Before we start, you'll need to create a ChatGPT account, which can be done in just a couple of clicks. I know time is precious, so if you're ready, let's start with the first prompt. Optimizing titles, descriptions, and headers on the pages of your website is vital for improving a website's rankings on Google. A lot of business owners get this wrong and miss out big time here, so let me show you how to fix that quickly. First things first, download a free Chrome extension called All-in-One SEO. Then head over to any page on your site. Let's use this plumber's website located in Fort Lauderdale. Once you're there, click on the All-in-One SEO extension. It will show you the current page title and description for your page. In this example, this business is using its business name as the page title and there isn't any description for it, which is a big no-no. Next, click on the Headings tab. To check what the main header of the page is, select the H1 option. In this instance, although the header is slightly better than the page title and description, it's still far from ideal. For best results, you must include your main target keyword along with your target location in all 3 elements. For our plumber, the target keyword could be plumbing company and the location Fort Lauderdale. To craft perfect titles, descriptions, and headers for your pages, head over to ChatGPT and use the following prompt. Write the meta title, meta description, and header for a page that needs to be optimized for search engines for the following keyword, plumbing company for a business located in Fort Lauderdale. ChatGPT will generate ideal examples for all 3 elements. All you need to do is to add them to your pages or replace poorly written ones. To use this prompt for your website pages, simply replace the target keyword and location with your own and repeat the process for every page on your site. This is super simple to do, but will pay off big time. Once you've got your titles, descriptions, and headers dialed in, you can move on to our next prompt. To boost your website's rankings in search engines, you gotta nail the content on your pages, making sure it's correctly optimized for your main keywords. Substandard content quality is a common problem I see time and again when auditing websites, which leads to poor rankings. Here is a simple method you can follow to fix this issue using ChatGPT. Start by picking a page from your site that's not showing up as well as you'd like in search results. You could just go with your gut, but I prefer using hard data to make this call. If you've got Search Console set up on your site, it's perfect for this. If not, install it. It's free. Log in there and click on the performance option on the left menu. Make sure the average position metric is active, then click on the Pages tab. Sort your pages by clicking on the position column once. This sorts your pages from the worst ranking ones to the best ranking ones on Google. You can see more pages by clicking the arrow at the bottom of the table. Look for a page with an average ranking of 5 or below. These are the pages that don't rank well enough to drive a lot of clicks, but could climb the ranks fast with some better content. Click on the page to see which keywords it's ranking for and note down the top one. Let's say we're doing this for a teeth whitening page on a dentist's website located in Baltimore, which ranks on average in position 7. Copy all the text from that page. Next, fire up ChatGPT and use this prompt. Review the following content and make recommendations on how it could be better optimized for search engines for the following keyword. Here you'll need to use the keyword you have found in Search Console, let's say teeth whitening. Then finish up the prompt with for a business located in Baltimore. Then paste the content you've just copied and hit return. ChatGPT will come up with a list of improvements to make your content more SEO friendly for your keyword and your location, in this case, teeth whitening Baltimore. Take this up an extra notch with the following prompt. Suggest a content structure based on these recommendations. ChatGPT will give you a detailed layout for your page. Use this layout as a guide and create the required additional content for each section, excluding the page title, description, and header if you already optimized those in our previous exercise. This is a sure way to optimize the existing content of your pages for search engines. Higher rankings will follow. What about if you need to add more pages to your website so your business can be found for more keywords, but you don't know what additional keywords you should be targeting? This is what we're going to look at next. Business owners often make the same mistake when creating a website. A lot of them have this set and forget mindset, believing that once their website is live, their job is done. This couldn't be further from the truth. Your site needs to keep growing. Adding fresh content to your website is crucial for ranking on Google with new keywords and drawing in more customers. If you're wondering what other keywords you should be targeting, you can ask ChatGPT with this simple prompt. What keywords do you think people use when searching for? Then enter your business type. Let's use moving company and watch ChatGPT come up with a list of suggestions. If you feel your website already covers those keywords, ask ChatGPT to dig further with this follow-up prompt. Can you extend the list? Just go through the list to identify keywords that might be worth targeting and save them somewhere safe. Next, head over to the Google Chrome store and search for a free extension called Keyword Surfer, then install it. Go back to Google and start searching for the keywords you saved from your ChatGPT list. Keyword Surfer will show you how often each keyword is searched per month, as well as other options that might be getting more searches. Choose the one that best fits your business. Now, it's time to create a killer page on your site for that keyword. You want this page to be top-notch so it lands at the top of Google searches. Let me show you how you can do this with ChatGPT. If you want your website pages to rank high in search engines, you need to craft pages that are better than what's already out there. Let's stick with our moving company example and pretend that long-distance movers is a great keyword to focus on. Here is what you do. Head over to Google, search for that keyword, but add your location, let's say Salt Lake City. Google will show you the top pages for this keyword. These are the ones with the best content and the ones you've got to beat. Click on the first result, then on the all-in-one SEO extension you downloaded in exercise 1. Next, click on headings and on export. It will download the page layout. Download the layout of the top 3 or 4 results and compile the headings into a single spreadsheet. Next, go to ChatGPT and use the following prompt. What's the best page structure for a page targeting the keyword long distance movers Salt Lake City based on these headings? Then paste your list of headings and enter. ChatGPT will produce a page structure based on the best bits from all the top pages. All you need to do is add your content to each suggested section to create a page that's better than everybody else's, so it can rank above them. Let's move on to the last prompt you should consider to give your business the credibility it needs. If you've been dabbling in the world of search engine optimization, you may have heard the term EAT or EEAT flying around quite a bit. If you haven't, EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These are elements Google uses to assess the quality of content on the web. Although EEAT is not a direct Google ranking factor, being able to integrate these elements into your content can improve your chances of ranking high in search results. Still confused? Let me give you a few examples. This cleaning company is showcasing before and after photos on their service pages alongside certifications from recognized organizations that demonstrate trustworthiness. This personal injury law firm features a web page on their site introducing their attorneys with detailed bios including qualifications and notable achievements showcasing expertise. This plastic surgeon in Orlando highlights features on reputable websites, magazine covers, and even a TV show, conveying a strong sense of authority, while this electrician can signal experience for a specific service he provides by adding video testimonials from its clients. There are many more examples you can use to include EAT elements on a given page, but to make things easier, you can use ChatGPT one last time. Let's use the teeth whitening page from our dentist in Baltimore once again. Copy the content of the page, then head over to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. What type of content would you add to make this page align with Google's EAT principles? Paste the content of the page, then hit enter. ChatGPT will come with a bunch of suggestions for you to consider adding to your page. Keep in mind though, some of these suggestions could be similar to what we've discussed before. Just pick the fresh ones that you haven't added to your pages yet. With AI technology advancing super fast, integrating EAT into your content is crucial if you want to make your business unique and for Google to make it pop up at the top of local search results. If you want to be part of the winners, watch this video next.